Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just going to go ahead and start off with DIY number 1. As you see, I just have I believe it's an 8x10 frame, and I'm just going to remove all of those little pins that hold the picture in. And then I'm going to use my Waverly's Ivory in Super Premium Semi-Gloss. And I'm just going to give this frame 2 to 3 coats of paint. And while I do that, I just wanted to tell you, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know which is your favorite DIY and share with friends and family. Alright, so now I'm just going to take these DIY stickers, my Antique Wax by Waverly, and I'm just going to give the hearts that had no paint on them 2 coats of this Waverly's Antique Wax. Alright, so right here I decided to go ahead and lay out all my jute twine so that I knew exactly where everything was going to go. Sorry things were out of frame for a second. But yeah, so I just wanted to point out that while jute is such a pretty farmhouse look, it was maybe not the best thing for hanging something like this. You will have to straighten it, as you saw, but if you decide to lace or something like that, may be a little bit better to use, and you'll still get that farmhouse look. So now I'm just going to take my burlap and I'm going to mess up the bottom of it a little bit, give it that raw edge, and then I'm just going to glue my bow right into the center top of my frame, and then that will be it for this DIY, you guys. I really like the way this DIY turned out. It's so Farmhouse Valentine chic. And it is so simple but just so cute. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this DIY. Yes, I did mess up on one of the hearts. It's a little too far over, but that's because I didn't measure from the very beginning, so maybe think about measuring from the start. Alright, moving on. DIY number 2, you're going to need some copper wire. I bought this from Walmart, or you can use the wire from Dollar Tree. I just don't know how well it will work. You're going to need the key sign, wire cutters, a scraping tool, and disregard the bless your heart sign because you're not going to use that one on this DIY. We'll use that later. So I'm going to start by popping off that key. Maybe be a little bit more gentle and try not to pop it off and break it, because that will bite me in the butt later. It's going to break, but I was able to fix it. I sanded it a little bit, and then I'm going to use this metallic folk art pure gold. I don't think the sanding was completely necessary because it didn't really do anything, but I tried. I'm just going to give this a coat of the pure gold, and then I'm going to go in with my burnt umber by Apple Barrel, and I'm just going to go around the edges, making it a little bit darker around the edges and then lighter as I go in. And I really think that it made it look old, and I was really happy with the way it turned out. Alright, so now that we have our key attached, I'm going to take this foam heart, and I got this off of some roses my fiance got me, but I believe they have foam hearts at Dollar Tree. So now I'm just going to take Liqueur by Waverly and give this heart 3 coats of paint. So then, using my wire, I bent the wire up like a fish hook and then used my wire cutters to push it all the way through. And once I had it all the way through, I bent it all the way around and wrapped it around itself a couple times. And then I'll just snip off the rest and use my wire cutters to wrap it around so that it doesn't have a sharp edge. So I just wanted to take this time while we have a second to give a shout out to a very special subscriber of mine. She has been with me since, I'm pretty sure, day one, and her name is Juliet Bonilla. I'm not sure if I'm saying her last name right. Please, Juliet, let me know if I'm saying your name correctly, but I just really wanted to give you a shout out because you have been with me since like 20 subscribers, so thank you. And this is how it turned out. As you see, I used paint to fill in where the wire had went through the heart, and you could not see it at all. And yes, this one is simple, but I really like the way this one turned out too. So cute. Alright, so moving on to our third and final DIY. This one, we're going to be using the Bless Your Heart sign, and we're going to pop that heart off. We're going to remove the sticker from the back, and I finally used my glue and residue eraser, and while it doesn't look like it removed it, it did. You can still kind of see a little something, but you can't feel it, and when you paint it, you cannot tell the difference. Alright, so now using my Mineral by Waverly, I'm going to give the front of the shadow box 2 coats of the Mineral. I'm going to give the edges all the way around and the inside edges, which you will not see because I totally forgot and had to go back and do that later. But so I'm going to give all of that 2 coats of and then I'm going to go in with my Ivory by Waverly and dry brush all the places that I painted Mineral. So now with my scraping tool, I'm just going to chip off all of that stuff that came off from the sign, go in with my Liqueur by Waverly, and give this heart like 6 coats of paint because it was impossible to cover up the Your. I'm going to go in with my Apple Barrel Burnt Umber, and I'm going to go around the edges of the heart to make it look older. So then I just grabbed a bead from the beads that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I chose one that had a flat bottom, painted it white, and then at the 2 3/4 mark, going from the side to side and from the top and bottom, which was directly in the middle, I glued that down, and then I will attach my red heart to the bead, and then we'll be done with this DIY. And I really like the way it raised the heart up. I think it just added something to this that it needed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, share with your friends and family. Let me know down in the comments which was your favorite DIY, and thanks so much for watching. God bless.